Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up a Google Nest Mini. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So setting up Google Nest Mini is simple and can be done in just few steps. So the step 1 is to unbox and power on your Google Nest Mini using the included power adapter. Now wait for the device to power on and you will hear a chime indicating it's ready to set up. The second step is to download and open up the Google Home app. Install the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet for iOS or Android. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't have an account. Step 3 is to add the Nest Mini to Google Home. Open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Select the setup device, then new device. Choose the home where you want to add the device, then tap next. Step 4 is to connect to the Nest Mini. The app will search for nearby devices. When your Nest Mini appears, tap on it. A sound will play from the Nest Mini to confirm it's the right device. Tap yes if you hear the sound. And step 5 is to connect to your Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Wait for the Nest Mini to connect to the network. Step 6 is to link your Google account. The app will prompt you to sign in to your Google account if not already signed in. Follow the instructions to personalize settings like voice match, default music service, or preferred TV services. Step 7 is to finish the setup. Assign your Nest Mini to a room, example kitchen or living room. Enable or disable additional features like personalized results or audio settings. Step 8 is to test your Nest Mini. Say hey Google or okay Google to test commands like what's the weather today, play some music, etc. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.